Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puck. Definitely bringing the good stuff. Well, Happy New Year's, okay, to everybody a Happy New Year's. I hope you get everything that you want, and we'll take it from there. But Happy New Year's. All right, so today what we're doing a New Year's ham. All right, simple recipe. All right, this ham, okay, it's already pre-sliced and already pre-cooked. Very simple. But you never figure out why they don't cut all the way back here where there's also good meat back here. All right. So when you cook these hams, you always cook them face down. Okay. You gotta cook them face down. That's where all the juices from the fat and everything else that makes that nice good gravy in there. All right. So what I'm going to do with this ham right now, I'm going to put it into a 350-degree oven for, let me get the amount of time here. I have it here. For about an hour and 20 minutes, all right? Then, I really don't like using it, but I'm gonna use it today, the brown sugar glaze, all right? So, without further ado, let me get this wrapped up and into the oven. Okay, after an hour and 20 minutes, the ham is basically warmed through. So, what I'm going to do now, I'm gonna turn it on its side. Oh, and that's piping hot. All right. Prop it up there. Okay. Now, I'm going to get the sauce ready, so I'll be right back. Stay tuned. All right. What I did here, I put the bag with the brown sugar glaze in the microwave for about 1 minute to 30 seconds to a minute. And now I'm just, any lumps I feel in it, I'm just breaking them up. It's nice and hot. All right. All right, so let me get this bag cut open and stay tuned. All right, I done cut the bag open now. Now I'm gonna hit it with the glaze. Just get it in there, let it get in all crevices. Right. Right, looking good. Now I am going to put this in the oven, continue to cook it for about a half an hour, and then I'm going to put it on broil. Try to get in all the slices. That would be wonderful. Get it in there. Get it all in there. All right, I'm going to finish up the process, so stay tuned. All right, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to return the ham uncovered back to the oven. All right. I'm going to let it cook for about 30 more minutes uncovered before I put it on broil. So, stay tuned. Okay, the ham has been in the oven for another 30 minutes with the glaze on. Give you a closer view of it. And now I'm going to turn it on broil. Turn it on broil for 7 minutes, and I got it on broil. But at this point now, it's going to really caramelize that sugar, the brown sugar sauce, the glaze, and you got to keep an eye on it. All right, so stay tuned. Be right back. All right, the ham has come out. The ham is done. All right. Whoop. Now I'm going to actually put some of this sauce on top here. I got my taster coming here now. All right, we're going to share a piece here, and we're going to let you know how it actually tastes. That's very hot. There we go. There we go. Give me a little bowl here. Give me a little bowl. Okay. I'm gonna push this to the side a little bit here. Cut it up into little pieces here. There's something about ham, the saltiness with the sweetness, it just takes it over the top. What do you think? That's delicious, guys. Very simple ham recipe. Store-bought. Doesn't take long to cook it. Alright? So, without further ado, thank you for watching. You guys have a happy new year. And I will definitely see you guys on the next video. Bye-bye.